Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. First of all, just access settings and scroll down. Now you need to choose security section over here and then click on screen lock 1. After that, tap on one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password, and when you're ready, select next at the bottom. Now you need to create your login method, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Then select one of those options to pick how do you want sensitive content to show on your lock screen. I don't want any, so I'll go with the last option and tap on done. Now when I go back, turn off my screen, turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!